What's going on, guys? CRAIGMAC-RC. Got the XRT out here. She got a little makeover. We got the green arms. We got the new ultimate body. Had to throw my stickers on there. CRAIGMAC-RC. Thanks to my buddy Doug. You know I gotta rep my boy Aldo. But, yeah, she's looking good, guys. Gonna have a light little rip here. Got a little ramp out in the yard. Nothing crazy. I actually forgot my older body. I was gonna bring that so that way I can heat it up. But keep her looking good. I ended up crashing this thing real hard the other day and broke the whole lower bulkhead. So I had to replace all that. So I just replaced the upper and lower bulkhead. Change the shock oil. It seems a little more plush. Guys, the weather was getting nice, so I figured I'd show her a little bit of love. It's getting into that bashing season. Give the crawlers a little bit of a break. Had some fun with the XRT. Can't get my camera right. There we go. See if we can get some distance here. It's the first rollover. I ran probably 2 packs through this already, guys, up and down the street, having fun with it. Haven't rolled it yet. Oh yeah, and then I had to get because I was running it a couple weeks ago and broke the wing off of it. And then I was running it without the wing, so when it would flip, it wore away the wing mount, so I had to get a new wing mount too. So I had a nice big box of stuff come in from Traxxas this week. Body, all the green stuff for the arms, upper and lower bulkhead, new wing mount. Got a couple wing mounts, honestly. But then I forgot to order the other set of chrome rims. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me if you think the black or the chrome looks better. What do you think, guys? The black or the chrome? Because I was going to go with the chrome, but I'm actually liking the black too. And I got to change that blue. Because I broke one and the hobby shop only had blue, so stuck with a blue on that side. I think I'm going to go with the M2C extenders. That way I can put like some backflips, some armor backflips on here. Yeah, the suspension does sound really plush. I mean, I'm not getting a lot of air, but it doesn't seem to bottom out at all. Man, guys, I'm loving this look. I was thinking about going with the rock and roll and then doing like maybe a mix between blue and the red with the arms. Maybe do like the top red and the bottom blue, maybe. That's what I was gonna do, but I'm actually glad I went with this. I'm really liking it. Let's go running up and down the street. Yeah guys, I think I got a million weight in the center. Whenever you make that center real thick, this thing loves to wheelie, especially with these bigger tires. It's going, guys. It's really monster. I love it. Sorry for the chainsaw in the background, guys. This is going to be a short one anyway. She's probably hot. I would try to do a backflip off of this, guys, but that new body trying to keep her pretty. I'm mad I left my old one at the house. Alright, let's see, guys. I don't know where I'm at. There we go. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you the update on the XRT. There's going to be more to come, but until next time, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. CRAIGMAC-RC